The basement level I love this year. It's a little bit different than the usual CHEO Dream Home formula. It's very functional, so when you come down there's a very large media theater room. Accessories or accents like the horn sconces and the Moroccan poufs really give it an artisanal look in the basement. It's very layered. Again, we've continued the shiplap in the basement, and we've continued, like we did in the great room, the white walls but with the contrast painted molding, which is all done in a gray tone. The bar area downstairs is a fantastic space for entertaining. If there's a big sports event, you can entertain a lot of people all doing different things in the space, whether they're eating in the bar area or having a drink, watching the game. You can continue doing that while, eating some appetizers and having some drinks. We've also used the extra room in the space as an exercise room because a lot of people nowadays are exercising out of their home as opposed to going to the gym. We've got a decked out exercise room with bikes, multi-gyms. We even have a yoga programming built into the TV as well.